All right, it's another day and we're gonna finish today hopefully what we started here. So we made a bushing for here and now this is really nice and tight, no play at all. So next we're gonna have to make a bushing for here. So as you can see, the hole became oval, so we're gonna try and make it a little bit bigger and then make a bushing for there, because even if we buy a new spring, the hole is oval. So I don't know, I think it's best if we make a bushing for there. So anyways, let's get to that. We're gonna do that on the drill press, and to be able to center it, we're gonna try to run a drill bit inside that fits inside this hole right now, like this one. You see, it's on an angle. So we're gonna put that in the chuck. So now we're gonna put a bigger drill bit and we're gonna go from there. This drill press is not the best, but so you see, it was pretty tight in the beginning and then it went freely on the other side, which means the hole was tapered. So that's 373 thou. It's too small because we know that the valve stem that we're going to use as a pin is 310 thou. So if the difference is 63 thou, so this means 30 thou wall for the bush. So we need it bigger. Yeah, we can go bigger than that because this might crack. I know we're making the wall thinner, but we're replacing the metal with the bush, so hopefully it's not gonna be a problem. If it is, well, then we're gonna have to buy another fork. Okay, we're gonna make this one out of aluminum to match the material on the fork. Okay, that's actually perfect. Okay, it's pretty tight fit, so good. All right, so the bush is installed. It's nice and tight, and let's test fit it. That is much better. Absolutely no play. Okay, so we're gonna take it apart. We're gonna lubricate wherever we need to lubricate here, and then we're gonna clean it, assemble it. I'm gonna change the oil. Here, you see now, it leaked more. So there are two O-rings inside, and I'm gonna take it apart. So there's one seal here. Looks like this is holding because there's no oil on the threads here. The oil is coming out of this bush here. Let me take it apart and I'll show you. And I changed those. I remember I changed those O-rings, but we will see now. Oh, came out easy. Okay. We have oil. Good news. So these O-rings here are not holding. I'm gonna go try find something that matches here. All right, I found two O-rings that might be good for there. So let's see. Yeah, this one's broken actually. Huh. That won't seal much. Well, hopefully these ones work, because a little bit smaller, but the diameter looks a little bit bigger, at least to me. Anyway, well, anyways, hopefully these are of a little bit better quality. If not, we're screwed. Okay. We have no other choice anyway, so I'm gonna put them on. And this is the other seal that I was talking about. These O-rings seal around this plastic housing, and this seal here seals inside, but this seal seems to be okay. Okay, let's see if it holds. Yeah. They came in pretty snug, so hopefully they will hold. We shall see, right? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean everywhere I can, and I'm gonna call you back. Okay, I wiped it a little bit, and I'm not gonna go too crazy, but while we're here, we wanna address this as well. Now, once I replaced bushings inside, I bought a kit, and it was really cheap. The moment I installed it, I knew it was really bad, because now look, this spring is coming out, which is not supposed to be like that. This here is a little bit too excessive play. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make brass bushings. Now that I have the lathe, I think I'm gonna make brass bushings for here, so this fits nice inside, because the plastic went bad. And let's see what's going on here. So you see, this is part, I think that's the only part of this kit that remains here, this little plastic thing. How did it even go there? Okay, so it's supposed to hold the spring, but not really well. Well, I don't know what to do here. Maybe if I find the washer that fits inside, well, maybe this. Is this gonna work? Yeah. Maybe it's a little bit too thick. Need to find something. Oh, actually good. Okay, that's good. So now let's only see what we need for here. I don't know if you see down here, also this play is a little bit too excessive. Yeah, a little bit here, a little bit there. Everything is a mess. Okay, let's take it apart. Great, now we are stuck. I thought the pin had enough room at the back to go all the way out, but it looks like it didn't. I can't even turn it anymore. Okay, I was able to turn it around, but now, okay. Now let's see if we can pull it out from here. Okay. There you go. It's out. How are we gonna put it in? That's another story. But let's see what kind of a bush we need here. There you go. Not the best finish, but with my cheap lathe and my beginner's machinist skills, that's what I can do. So the idea is the following. If this fits here now, yes it does. They both together go in this bush, and they both together go here. The other one closes it. And then this goes there. That's tight too. But you get the idea, right? Better be tight than loose. So this one is done. And the same thing here. Let's see how does this one fit. As long as this bush fits inside. Fits in one, doesn't fit in the other. Oh, make it fit. So this is the culprit, you see? It fits better one way, doesn't fit the other. So it's not my machinist skills. Well, it is. Anyway, I'm gonna go fix that and then we're gonna go assemble it. But you get the idea, right? Alright, so we assembled this and now we have to put it down there. I don't know if you see very well, but guys, believe me, I don't see well either. So this needs to go like this. This can't go any further than that, but that's enough. If it stays like this, it would be great. Where's the hole? Do you guys see the hole? Oh, it's lower. Okay. There you go. Now, if we can start this. That's pretty tight. Okay. Okay, I don't know if you saw any of that, but it's hard to share space with you, you know? For this part, it should be easier. So I already have the bushes here with the sleeve inside. So this should be pretty easy, I hope. Look like this. Wow. Before, between first and third gear, I had like crazy amount of movement here. Even after I changed those bushes, when I put plastic bushes here, I didn't change the ones at the bottom here now because I did it on the car, so here I couldn't reach. But then it was better for a while, but still even then I didn't have such nice and tight shifter. So this is solved. What's the rest? So we need to change the oil and try to install it on the car. Alright, so for oil I'm just using regular 80W90 gear oil, and I just transferred it in this bottle because it's much easier. Just fill it up. So, you just fill it until it starts dripping from here, and that's it. There you go. We're losing precious oil. Okay, so that's like not even a quart of oil it takes this transmission. Alright, so for here I just used a little bit of welding wire, twisted it around it. I know one of these snap rings would work great here, but they're all over the place when I don't need them. Now that I need one, I can't find one, so I think that's gonna hold. Like, it's pretty tight, there's a lot of friction here, it won't go out on its own, but even so this is just added security. Anyways, I wanted to show you that before we start installing the clutch and the clutch plate. All right, for the clutch, one very important step here is to read the sign here. It says flywheel side, so this side needs to go against the flywheel, and the rest is pretty straightforward. You just use this guiding pin here or whatever, and then we put the clutch plate. It also has a locating pins. There are 3 positions that you can put it on. All of them are right. They are 120 degrees from each other, so they're all right. Okay, now I'm gonna go get the manual and see what the torque spec is for here, because they need to be torqued properly, and we're gonna go from there. This doesn't need to be there anymore. I'm just gonna torque them, and then we're gonna install, and we're gonna start installing the transmission, which is gonna be tricky again.